This video will show you how to center text in Google Sheets. Once your Google Sheets file is opened, select the cells you want to center. So this time I want to center the following home stage. So I'm going to select the cells. After selecting them, at the upper part of the screen, click on the horizontal align icon. It's located here. Click on it and choose the center option. After clicking that, you'll see that the text went from left align to center align. You can also adjust the vertical alignment by clicking on the vertical align icon. It's located beside the horizontal icon. Click on the vertical align icon and choose from top, middle, or bottom. This time I want to place them in the middle. You'll see that the text went from the bottom to the middle. That's just one of the ways to center text in Google Sheets. And this time, you'll see the another way on how to center text in Google Sheets. You can do it by using the Format menu. So first select again the cells that you want to center. And this time I want to center the E2 cell. So I'm going to select that. After selecting the cell that you want to center, at the upper part of the screen, click on Format menu. After clicking Format, move your mouse cursor just a little bit downward until you get here on Alignment. And you'll see the following options. So just choose Center to center it, and you'll see that it went from the left line to the center. You can also change its vertical alignment by clicking the same options. Click Format, and then Alignment, and then choose whether you want to place it on top, in the middle, or at the bottom. This time I'll place it on the top, so we will see the difference. Now it went from the bottom to top. And that's how you center text in Google Sheets. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more bite-sized tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.